BD House, the Netherlands. In the quaint village of Bergen, a modest white villa from the 1915s provided technically and structurally no longer sound for contemporary wishes and demands for living. Yet, after its new occupant, a young family had living in the dwelling for a number of weeks. The house proved to be so characteristic that they decided to renovate and extend it, rather than demolish the house. Instead, the design of BD House became a layered transformations in which culture, heritage, sustainable transformations, and the rich natural qualities of the area confluence. With its transformations and extensions, BD House has not only been enlarged but has also been made future-proof. Contributions to the larger transformations of the countryside, in which the exciting housing stock is becoming more sustainable and adapted to changing wishes and demands for contemporary living. The house is positioned between coastal dunes, a pine forest, and the open polder landscape. The extensions embrace the exciting house and opens it up towards the garden, reinvigorates the feeling of living in the forest. The combinations of exciting volume and the zen of the extensions create a play between symmetry and asymmetry, the stretch, light, and the curve, a tension that was already present in the architecture of the original house. The first floor with the two bathrooms, a playroom, bedroom, and a guest room is completely dedicated in the children for them to turn it into their own world. The wings with the living room and the master bedroom are positioned on the ground floor and extend into the garden. In the curved veranda that connects the wings, a tree has been planted that pokes so the veranda roof giving shape to the transitions between inside and outside. The side of the veranda floor and cantilevered roof have been transferred by a virtual sphere of which the middle point sits at the center of the garden, embedding the villa both literally and conceptually in the landscape. The transparent facade is made of sustainable preserved flake wood and its generous sliding door and oblique windows continue the spiritual and feel of the interior into the design of the garden, anchoring the brick building in the undulating landscape of maritime pines. Both the exciting villa and the extensions are materialized in brick, yet they contrast in brick size, color, and treatment, revealing the layer of time in the project. The renovated white villa has been treated with white and attractive colored mineral paint. The extension, with reference to the architecture of Sigurd Lawrence, is materialized in recycled dark brown brick, giving it together with the white joints a robust appearance that over time will be enriched by the phrase of nature.